Hey guys, my name is Danielle, and today I have 3 different gift basket ideas, all from the Dollar Tree, all under $8. So if you are in the market, you're out Christmas shopping, and you're looking for some ideas to get for someone special, I have 3 of them for you, so please stay tuned.
Then you know it's Christmas. The snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe and then it's Christmas.
Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am sharing 3 different gift basket ideas. These are all from the Dollar Tree and they are all theme related. So we have one for your moviegoer, your snacker, your person who likes to curl up and watch a good movie and eat some treats. We have one for the spa lover, for the person who loves to take care of themselves and to give them a little me time. And lastly, we have one for the coffee lover, the little red truck lover combo. So if you guys are interested, these are all items I have found at the Dollar Tree, okay? And the packaging is really great, really cute, super simple, and very affordable. So if you guys are on the market, in the market, out shopping, here's what I found so you can go ahead and pick yourself up some. All right, my friends, so first off, I've never done one of these types of videos before where you just see the hands. So I have my little red table runner here. Hopefully it gives it some merriment. We are going to do the three Dollar Tree gift basket ideas. These were all under $8 and all 3 of them have a different theme. I do these for my kids. So let me do a haul and then we'll put them together, okay? Okay, the first thing I have is this plastic popcorn box or like container. We love these. I have these for my own kids. And I thought this would be great as a container and they can also use it. And it was $1. So this is what it looks like. So that's what we're gonna hold all of our stuff in. This one is going to be like for the movie watcher and for like, Christmas movies and snacking and, a good, if it's for your daughter's teacher or your kid's teacher, winter break, maybe you wanted to curl up on the couch when it's real cold and have some snacks and watch a movie. So this is who I had in mind. So I have this little plastic bin. Again, everything is at the Dollar Tree. I found these Mrs. Fields cookies. These are 3 individually wrapped cookies. So that's what they look like. I've bought these before and they're really good. But yeah, so definitely not a keto thing, but this is like a nice little treat. And they're like the soft baked cookies as well. And then obviously we would have to get them some popcorn. And this is the butter popcorn from Pop Weaver. I think it's 3 bags. Yeah, 3 bags. So, they can have some popcorn to go inside their popcorn holder. So we got that. Thought that was kind of a good one to kind of put together. And the next thing I got were these, I feel like this is Cracker Jack box of, it's a 3-pack, obviously. You can really, I'm thinking I might even break them up just to make it look a little bit fuller, but these came 3 for $1. So there you go. Then I picked up this popcorn seasoning, so you can sprinkle it on top of your popcorn while it's in the tin. So we got the Pop Weaver popcorn bags. There's 3 bags in here. 3 packages of Cracker Jacks. 3 individual cookies. These are the Mrs. Fields cookies, and some popcorn seasoning, okay? So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would be 5. Then I found these. These are the Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer official licensed product. They are a snack mix. Looks like there's pretzels, peanuts, and little pieces of chocolates, and they're super festive and cute. You can see they have like the old school Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on there. And yeah, so I thought that would be kind of fun to have. So I got that, like a sweet and savory type thing. The next thing I picked up was the Sheila Brownie Brittle. This is the caramel one, salted caramel. They had all different flavors too, but I know people love this. So I picked that up. And then the last thing I picked up was this like on-the-go coffee container like mug, and it says Slay All Day, and it just has a white lid. Inside our tin, we'll assemble everything in a minute, but so yeah, so we have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there you go, nice and full, super cute. We're gonna wrap it up. I'll show you how we do it, but I wanted to just kind of haul everything. So here's gift basket idea number 1. Okay, so here is our next gift basket idea. This is gonna be for all my, you know, ladies or teachers or men, I don't know, whoever you want to give it to, who like kind of a treat yourself night, like a spa night, okay? So the first thing I picked up was this little bath caddy, okay? So stick with me here. Got a little bath caddy, got a little compartment, everything, okay? What we're going to add to that are these bath bombs. So these are the Galactic Vanilla Berry, and there's 3 in here. They smell really good. I can smell them outside the package. So that'll go in there. Then I got one of these microfiber hair wraps. So you know sometimes people don't like to get their hair wet in the shower, so they can go ahead and wrap their hair up in this, or maybe they just wanted to, you know, deep condition their hair and then wrap it up and get some extra heat in there. So we picked up this one. They had different colors too. I picked up a sleep mask. This is just a satin one, and it says Sweet Dreams on there. So you add that to there. I did pick up this Whole Blend Single Use Rinse Out Care Cream. It's rinse out mask, Legendary Olive for dry hair. So I figure getting ready for the holidays, maybe you're gonna wanna do a treat yourself night, you know, pamper yourself a little bit. We got 2 different hair masks in here for that. Then I also picked up this Spa Scriptions Collagen Hydro Face Mask. Renew, Restore, and Revive. Anti-aging, minimize appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Helps affirm, tone, and revive skin elasticity. 15-minute therapy. I love to throw these in the refrigerator, and they're nice and cool and relaxing while you're soaking in a hot tub. So that's what that one looks like. So what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the next thing we have, this one is $9. Okay, so this one has more. I guess I bought a little bit extra for this one. But the next thing I picked up was some apple cider tea. I figured you could sip a nice hot glass of tea while you're soaking in the tub, or, you know, doing your little treatment regimen there. So I picked that up to go in there. Then I found this really nice candle. This is the roasted marshmallow candle. It smells really good. It smells very identical to the Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. Oh, so good. And it's just a little one. So you can have this lit in the bathroom while you're soaking, and it comes in the cute little like mason jar. So we have that. And then I figured while you're getting out of the bathtub, maybe you want to give yourself a fresh coat of paint your nails or your toenails, whatever it is. That's part of a lot of people's self-care routine. And I got it in this really pretty red. It's called Foliage. And I love this Kiss gel polish. This stuff actually really stays. This is what I actually use on my toes. And it's in this nice festive red color. And then lastly, how are you gonna treat yourself without giving yourself a nice little treat? And these are the Betty Crocker mug treats. This is the rainbow chip cake, and you just throw it in the mug and it'll be ready. So you can even eat this while your face mask is going, or you're deep conditioning your hair, or if you're laying in the tub or laying in bed, whatever you wanna do. So I thought that'd be a nice little treat. So grand total for this one is $9. And I feel like you're gonna get a whole bunch for $9, and you get the cute little carrying case. So that is gift basket number 2. Okay, so next up is going to be for my coffee lover, or especially if you know somebody who's very much into the little red truck for Christmas. I found this little cute container. It says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. I thought it was really cute. They can keep this for, you know, next year's holiday decor, whatever they want to do. But I thought it was really cute just to store all the things I found in there. The first thing I found was this little mug on here, and it's the Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas mug, and it has the red truck on there from the Dollar Tree. So I picked that one up. I actually have the plate that matches this. It's really cute. So we got that. And then I found one more mug, and this one, it just says North Pole this way, and it does have the the truck on there as well. Really cute. This one's a little bit of a bigger mug, but this one actually has some candy on the inside. So it's kind of a 2-for-1-er right there. So you have that. And then I found this cookie mitt. This says Dashing Through the Snow, and it has the red truck on there as well. Thought that was really cute. And then we found the fingertip towel that can go in by your oven, you know, and this one also says Dashing Through the Snow. Not the most absorbent, but definitely cute for decoration. So we found that one. And then I found some coffee creamers to go ahead and put in. This is the Coffee Mate French Vanilla. And then we also got the hazelnut. So I thought that would be cute to kind of add in there. And then we got the hot cocoa for you. So if they didn't like coffee, they could have some hot chocolate, and it came in this cute little package. And then lastly, some chocolates. And it says Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas with the red pickup truck on there. So grand total for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, including the packaging. So there is 3 gift basket ideas for coworkers, whatever you want to do. Like I said, I do them for my kids' teachers, but how are we going to assemble them? I picked up some tissue paper, all from the Dollar Tree. I picked up this, what is this called? Decorative shred, and this is red with gold in there. I picked up these, I picked up these basket bags. Picked up 3 packs of those, or 2 packs of those, so we can put those together. And then I also grabbed some of these to go on there. So let's go ahead and assemble everything, and then I'll be back. Okay, my friends, so I wanted to kind of show you how I got these together. If you guys wanted to wrap them in those plastic wraps, in those bags, he's always in the video, you totally could, but I didn't like the way they looked. I would rather go with the saran wraps that you can like blow dry and it could shrink to it, because these ones I felt like they weren't wide enough and they kind of made them look a little dumpy. So what I did was I went ahead and added the tissue paper in there to kind of give it some more height, so everything wasn't just like sunk to the bottom. And they can kind of showcase everything, so this way you can see, like, you know, whoever gets the basket could be like, oh, what's in here? And they can kind of peek and they're like, oh snap, lots of goodies, lots of goodies. And it looks really nice and festive. I added some of those little tie things. I like broke them apart and just kind of added them as a little bit of filler, and then they're kind of all over, so it's super festive. And I thought it was really cute. So that's kind of how it looks. I thought it was really pretty, and for the price, you really can't beat it. These are all name brand things, and you know, you can give somebody, it's really about giving, not about the price, guys. Always remember that. You know, the fact that you went out of your way and built something for somebody to know, look, I appreciate you, and I just wanted to give you something to let you know that I do appreciate you and I hope you enjoy it. That means so much more, okay? So do what you can do. If you wanted to add more, you could. If you wanted to, you know, make it a little bit less, then you could do that as well. But all right, so here is our spa day basket. So I just kind of, again, stuffed it with the tissue paper, and then I just kind of placed everything on top so they can look and be like, oh, that's like, I think the fun part about these baskets is it, because there's so much stuff in there, it's like exciting for people to receive. So, you know, they'll have their little mug cakes, their apple cider tea, they'll be like, oh, I got a candle, oh, look, there's some polish, oh, look, like there's literally things to keep on going, that it's really fun and exciting, and it just looks, it's individualized. They could tell that you really thought about somebody and you put it together, and I think that's the best part about these. And it's not hurting your pocketbook this holiday season, so we could all appreciate that. And these are all items I found recently at the Dollar Tree, so you kind of might have to go through the aisles and stuff, but they're there. Just be patient and go look. And everybody can use a bath caddy, even if they just want to use it for cleaning supplies when they were done. But I think it's a really good idea to keep all like your spa day stuff in here, so when they're like, oh, I need a me day, you just pull out your spa kit here and you're all good. All right, my friends, here is the last basket. This is our Believe in Magic with the red pickup truck, and we got the Coffee Mate creamers, and I did again with these little tie things just to give it a little extra. You know, we do have the towel back here, which, you know, you just kind of have it kind of put it against here. I guess we can probably do that. It's kind of tricky with these things, but nonetheless, kind of figure it out. And then you have your coffee or your Mitt, your hot chocolate, your mugs, your creamers, some candy, all types of stuff. And it's really, really cute, especially if you're coffee drinkers or if you're into the red truck for Christmas. Really, really cute, and you're gonna save yourself a ton of money. Because if you look for these mugs at like the main stores, they are very, very overpriced because they're so trendy right now. So there you go. That is our last basket. All right, my friends, we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas. I hope it shows you how much you can actually stretch that dollar to, you know, maybe give somebody special something special, to let them know, hey, I appreciate you, I'm thinking of you, and I picked these little items up to give them to you. Always remember, it's about the thought, not the price tag, and the fact that you are just thinking of somebody really can, you know, bring some good vibes to other people. These baskets can also be, you know, for more. You can add some more things to them, or you can take some back if you had to buy more, whatever fits your budget. So if you guys did like this video, I would love for you to stick around, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribing, you hit the notification bell. We are doing Vlogmas, so one video for 25 days. 25 days of 25 videos. So I would love for you to stick around, and please subscribe, join the crew. It's a good place to be. We have a good time around here. All right, guys, I will see y'all on the next one. Take it easy, friends.
Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us.